Hi everyone, we are here at AWS Summit 2025 happening at Excel London, which is near Canary Wharf. So I am here with my friend to explore what AWS has to offer. So let's go inside and check what's happening. Before coming to this event, we just need to pre-register for it so that we can get our e-tickets at least 48 hours in advance. So once we have that e-ticket, we can just go inside and show up the e-ticket along with national ID, either BRP, passport or whatever you have. Once you show that, they'll just guide you to the booth and there you'll be given the badge. And from there we can just go to the keynote and whatever theaters we want. Before coming to the event, we were given an option via email. Either we can register our interest on what seminars that we are going to attend. So we can favorite the seminars that we are going to attend. We have all the list and gist of the seminars, and before coming here itself we can plan all our day ahead. We also have an option to do that via app. It's called AWS Events. One thing to consider before coming here is to either screenshot your agenda, because with all these thousands of people there is a lot of interference here and our network might not work at all. So the first event that we are attending is the Keynote. So where we didn't get the opportunity to attend the keynote in the auditorium, but there were like other areas where we can put our headsets on and listen to it silently. So I think it's called silent listening. That's really a new thing that I observed here. After the keynote, we went to explore the hubs organized by some of the companies here who actively use AWS in their day-to-day operations. Each of these booths, people have these fun games and stuff to attract people to their booths. They gave out these stickers, some fun games that we played to collect some goodies like t-shirts and some Lego items and etc. Followed by that, we attended a few events. So the good thing about this one is there is no particular registration to be seated. So it's like first comes first serve basis. So there are plenty of seats available for each event already, and we can just hop on there, and every event is like a silent listening thing, so that there is no need of big speakers who overlap with each other's presentations. After that, we went for some fun games. There are some events like for sliding and some F1 game racing, and there are some other fun games which I played. For example, say this, I played the sliding game and it was fun. And these are the things I didn't do since my childhood. So these are kind of exciting and fun. Not only about technical stuff, it also included this fun stuff which made it really interesting, I would say. And after that, we attended a few more events. We had the lunch. We have meat options, vegan options, vegetarian options based on your appetite. I am here with my friend Vincent, who is here with me today, who is my companion for this event. So I would say overall this event has been really nice for me. So let's check with Vincent how it went for him. Hi Vincent.
Hello. Yeah, I really enjoyed the event. This is like my first AWS Summit, and I was blown away by the whole event, and it was really nice having you as a companion for this event. I think we made a wonderful team overall, and we really had fun.
Yeah. So what were your expectations before coming to this event?
Yeah. So really, for me, it was really to kind of draw inspiration, because being that I'm just trying out AWS, I'm trying to, you know, get to learn how to use AWS more. I needed to, you know, use this opportunity to kind of understand how other people are using AWS, see some of the people I follow on LinkedIn, and, you know, try to make connections within the cloud, you know, community. And I really think it met my expectation, because I met some of the, you know, some wonderful connections, even people I only met on LinkedIn, and then I was able to, you know, see wonderful advancements in the cloud space, and yeah, it was really amazing.
Final takeaway is that it's always good to attend these kinds of events, because we never know whom we are going to bump up into. Great networking opportunities. We can see all kinds of people, from beginners to pros and experts in their domains, and we can just have a quick talk on what we are looking into, and we might you know, get advice on stuff, or we can learn. You know, there is always something new to learn in here. So for example, we at the end of the networking event, we accidentally bumped into Oxford graduates and who are working in Oxford. So that's really nice to talk, and there are lots of insights that we learned from them. So yeah, I would advise everyone who is who haven't attended such events. So if you have an opportunity in your nearby city, please utilize that opportunity and attend these events. So thanks for watching until now, and see you in the next video. Bye.